Hey guys, it's baby iPhone Scott. If you want to turn yourself into a baby podcaster, I'll show you how in 3 easy steps. Step 1, open ChatGPT. Tap on Image Generator. You're going to write this prompt: create image size 9:16. Turn this person into a baby in a podcast studio, and then hit the plus button right here and pick photos, add your photo, and then just hit right here and it will start creating the image for you. Once it's done, you can either make changes or hold down on the picture and you can save that to photos. Next, record what you want the baby to say in a selfie video. Open CapCut, add that footage, drop it down here on your timeline, make any adjustments that you need to, tap export. And here, make sure that you don't check video. You only want an audio file, and that's what you'll use for the baby to speak. Next, you go here to Dreamina and tap on Lip Sync. You want to do this on desktop. Drag and drop your baby image here, your audio file here, and it will create the video, but it does take a while. In the comments, leave a picture of you as a baby podcaster.